Section 8, the rise of AI, intelligence amplified. Today, we stand on the brink of another technological leap, artificial intelligence. This leap is not just a step forward, it is a giant leap that promises to transform every aspect of our lives. Machines are learning to think, to adapt, to solve problems in ways that were once considered the exclusive domain of humans. These intelligent systems are capable of processing vast amounts of data, recognizing patterns and making decisions with unprecedented speed and accuracy. From self-driving cars that navigate our streets with precision, to personalized medicine that tailors treatments to individual genetic profiles, AI is poised to revolutionize our world once again. Industries are being transformed, cities are becoming smarter, and healthcare is reaching new heights of innovation. However, with these advancements come significant ethical challenges. We must navigate the complexities of AI with wisdom and foresight, ensuring that the benefits are maximized while minimizing potential harms. The rise of AI is a testament to human ingenuity. It reflects our relentless pursuit of knowledge and our desire to push the boundaries of what is possible. Yet it also compels us to consider the profound impact of the technologies we create. As we move forward, we must ask ourselves, how will AI shape our future? What kind of world do we want to build with these powerful tools? The answers to these questions will define the next chapter of human history.